All right, so I'm gonna open this up. I think there are gonna be instructions in here, hopefully. Otherwise, we're just gonna go with it, right? Oh. Yes. Okay. So we have extra teeny weenie pieces. I don't really know what I'm getting myself into right now. This is definitely not what I pictured the pieces to be, right? I'm a little nervous about this. See these? Oops. Bear with me here. I'm trying. Oh, crap, it's not just one page. It actually has like several pages for the crab alone. Thought that one was gonna be easy. That feels so wrong to do. Like, here we go. I wish my sister was here right now. She would love this. Looks like I'm looking for like a circular piece in this little hinge thing. So I think I found the circle. No, I need to find this. Okay. Looks like I found the hinge. Separate that. Oh. How am I gonna put all these? Am I gonna finish this tonight? This might be time consuming. I didn't think about this. Legos have definitely, or Lego, oh my gosh, people are going to just destroy me on the internet. We're getting so far. We're not doing too bad. I'm pretty proud of this. Oh, then they move. Oh, it's so disgusting. Oh, it's so creepy. I haven't played with Lego in a long time, so it's definitely bringing back a lot of really good memories for me. It feels so wrong, but so right. Oh, that only goes on one side, I guess. Oops. Oh, what do these people want from me? I can't believe I paid to do this. Oh, shoot. And... oh, that is so cute. And it turns. Look, pictures. That is so adorable. Okay, so now I have to find the pieces for the other side of him. Oh my gosh, is that not the cutest little Mr. Krabby you have ever seen? Because it totally is. This is the cutest thing ever, you guys. Mr. Krabby. And he's done. Look at that. Thinking cute. Oh. Alright, so I am going to be working on the little seaweed and treasure chest, it looks like. I tried to lay out the pieces a little bit because I find them embarrassingly slow. Strength, try to pop this on there. I feel like that was just like, oh, how do you get them apart? Do they have like a little separator? Oh, there we go. Ooh. Oh, it moves. Look at that. Okay, right. Lego. We're talking about people. So I am just having a hard time figuring out how I'm supposed to put all of these in here. I think they want me to just like throw them in. So that's what I'm going to do. Just doesn't feel right. Here we go. Perfect. Alright, so we're getting started on Mr. Shark, and I'm just gonna start going for it. I'm just gonna try to go ham if I can find the pieces. I'm clearly not as strong as I thought if it takes this much effort to put a couple of Legos together. Am I building like his guts right now? I'm starting to get really good at this. I think I am doing pretty great, you guys. I would say I am doing pretty great. Like, I am not trying to brag, you guys, but I really am. Look at that. Those are some shark guts. You know? Let's top this puppy off, a little bit of that. And then, where'd that glow stick go? Dang it, you guys. I really thought I was getting my stuff together. Strange. How am I ever gonna get that out? Is that even possible to get that out once it's in there? Guts. Can't find the piece. Oh, this is his little sharky mouth. Is that his guts? Okay. Wow, you guys, look at him. He is so cute. Now I just have to repeat the same thing on the other side. So I have a little sharky head so far. It's kind of taking too long to find the pieces, so obviously I had to skip forward to this. But I'm doing pretty good. Look, his little mouth moves too. I love that Lego does that. I think that is so cute. Look at that. Oh. Okay. I'm doing pretty good, you guys. It's like, wow, picture. Got it. Like, flying through this bod. You know what I'm saying? And I didn't even set these pieces aside. It's just because I'm almost out of pieces. So now I have a little shark head that you saw before. And I was able to work on the body that, oh, I almost just broke. But, let me just pop them together. Oh, that is so cool. That stinks. His little sharpie tail coming along. Like 78 pages in here. Mr. Sharky. He's so stinking cute. And here's Mr. Krabby. Mysterious treasure. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, whatever.